NHFT Review of the Year 2024 has seen many successes and achievements. Let's take a look back. At the start of 2024, NHS England's Chief Strategy Officer Chris Hobson paid a visit to NHFT to learn more about our innovation and collaboration. We launched our very own Dragon's Den, where colleagues are empowered to pitch ideas for funding to help improve care and patients' experiences. Successful ideas pitched Dragon's Den included the rollout of the Bee Brawn Easy Pump 2, an innovative way to administer medication. In March, Meadowbank Ward at Berrywood Hospital retained its accreditation from the Royal College of Psychiatrists, which said it was highly impressed with the practices at the ward. NHFT Director David Williams was elected NHS Providers' new Strategy Director Network Chair, providing an opportunity to help address some of the key challenges facing the NHS. Our Enable Network was named joint winner of the Outstanding Network of the Year at the Midas Awards. A project by our Memory Assessment Service to reduce waiting times for people with memory impairment smashed initial targets, cutting waiting lists for assessments by up to 80%. Female leaders from across the UK, USA and Canada, including our Chief Executive Angela Hillary, joined a special conversation celebrating International Women's Day with the theme of inspiring inclusion. We launched our Compassion Commitment, articulating how we pledge to be compassionate in all we do for service users and families and for each other. In April, our Liaison and Diversion team and the Reconnect service received a national accolade for their work in helping people with experience of the criminal justice system to get back into work. Our iDiscover service launched in April, offering an amazing resource for children and young people to support their growth and well-being. Our annual Wellbeing Walk took place during Maternal Mental Health Week in the grounds of Delapree Abbey. Also in April, we were delighted to welcome 12 governors who are now playing a key role in championing healthcare in your community. In May, colleagues from our Serenity Service met Her Majesty the Queen at a special event at Buckingham Palace, held to recognise organisations who support survivors of rape and sexual assault. ITV News visited NHFT to find out more about our specialist perinatal mental health service ahead of Maternity Mental Health Awareness Week. We celebrated International Nurses Day on the 12th of May, the birth of Florence Nightingale, with our nursing conference. We welcomed our 50th international nurse, Lynette Attal, as part of a successful programme to recruit nurses. An innovative befriending scheme where volunteers make check-in calls to families of children waiting for neurodevelopmental assessments has provided support and resources. Volunteers Week was an opportunity in June to thank our 300 plus volunteers who have contributed an incredible 11,000 days to different NHFT services in the past year. In July, Maria O'Neill won the Excellence in Palliative Care Nursing Award and was presented with a trophy by Kate Garraway and Neve Spencer. Our successful crisis response unit celebrated a year of supporting people across the county. We attended the Royal College of Psychiatrists International Congress to share learning and promote medical careers at the Trust. In July, our LGBTQ+ staff network took part in the Northampton Pride. Members of the International Ugandan Nurses and Midwives Association were joined in Northampton by NHFT Chief Executive Angela Hillary to celebrate the association. Over 800 staff members from GP surgeries across the county attended our suicide prevention and awareness session. In August, we launched The Bigger Picture, our plans to develop a new group strategy for NHFT and Leicestershire Partnership Trust. Our Youth Advisory Board celebrated 2 years of their involvement in shaping local health and wellbeing services. The co-produced Spiritual Wellbeing Courtyard opened at Berrywood Hospital thanks to support from Northampton Interfaith Forum, patients and the wider community. In October, Recovery College NHFT was recognised at the Dementia Involvement Awards for its work with people with dementia and other memory conditions. Our Together Against Racism programme, which tackles discrimination and promotes inclusivity, was recognised at the Asian Professionals National Alliance NHS Awards. In October, we marked the contribution made to the Trust by our allied health professionals. The Research and Innovation Conference took place in October, promoting work to deliver efficiencies and improved outcomes. In November, NHFT's Quality Awards were held to recognise the inspiring staff who have demonstrated outstanding care and dedication to support patients and colleagues across the county. Thank you to everyone who has helped us make a difference in 2024.